KMARINE.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What kind of company is KMARINE?
KMARINE is a company that produces solar cleanup boats. Of course, this is an environmental friendly expo. We are pushing our solar cleanup models, EMC-12 and EMC-9 over there. These are 100% solar power operated. We have solar panels up on the roof that charges the batteries automatically. That is housed inside the hull, fiberglass reinforced plastic hulls.
And this one is just a smaller version?
Yes, it's a smaller version. That is, we have finished the trial runs, and this is under development. So
this one is still under development.
See in the future.
So can we have a look over there? I can see you have some examples here. So where are they already using this?
This is in Korea, and it's a lake that is a former presidential palace. It's a really huge lake, and there are lots of tourists coming around the lakes. So the plastic waste problem has increased over the years. So we provided them with a couple of these boats that can clean the floating wastes on the lakes.
So does it need to have people on board, or it all goes automatically?
It does not go automatically at the moment, but we can make them if needed. And we also exported 2 cleanup boats to Vietnam in Mekong River.
Oh wow!
Yeah. And they've cleaned up around up to 280 kilograms of plastic waste.
Wow, that's a lot.
The floating plastic waste is a very serious problem especially in the Asian regions, where like 90% of the waste flow into the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, so it's good that we have like a preventing already from the rivers, because you don't want to have everything float into the oceans.
Yeah, we like to think of these as a preemptive solution to the oceanic waste problems.
Cool, thank you so much. Is there anything else you want to tell us?
We are also making normal solar boats. They are very reliable, and they have nothing much to go wrong. We have already supplied, as you can see, that one.
Yeah.
That one we provided to a lake park near Seoul City, the Suwon.
Suwon.
For 3 years, it hasn't had any problems in terms of power system. So it's going around for 3 years and never needed any serious maintenance.
That's cool. Is it like used for touristic purposes, or what is this boat in Suwon doing?
It would be great if it could be used for tourist purposes, but for now it's for official purposes only.
Okay. Cool. Thank you so much. Okay. Good luck. Bye bye.